Hey guys, David from RV Wholesalers here with another Versus video. Today we're going to be talking about why would I buy from RV Wholesalers in the state of Ohio instead of buying from another Ohio RV dealer. And this one's really pretty quick and pretty simple, and you're thinking, well yeah, but you are RV Wholesalers. Yeah, but let's just stick with facts. Number one, we have 3 locations inside the state of Ohio. Even that huge box chain of dealers doesn't have 3 locations inside the state of Ohio. We have our Lakeview location, Lakeview, Ohio. We have our Mansfield location, and soon we'll have our Delaware location. So we have 3 stores inside the Lakeview, or inside the state of Ohio, more to come. Second, most important, we have our Buckeye service guarantee. What does our Buckeye service guarantee mean to you? Simple. Number one, free delivery anywhere in Ohio. So if you don't have a tow vehicle, we're bringing it to you for free. Even if you have a tow vehicle, we can bring it to you for free. Second, a free loaner RV whenever your RV is out of service. So let's say you brought it in for service to us, air conditioner isn't working, and you have a trip, we can't get the part quick enough. Something like that, right? Your RV simply is not usable. If you buy from us under our Buckeye service guarantee, you get a free loaner RV, you can still take your trip. So we guarantee when you buy from RV Wholesalers in the state of Ohio, you will be able to camp. We will always have a loaner that you can use. There's no fees, there's no charge for it, nothing. You come and get the RV, you go take your trip, you have a great time with your family, make those memories, bring it back to us. We should have your RV fixed and ready for you to take home. There's other reasons, of course. Our pricing is incredible. We've got the best pricing in Ohio. We have no hidden fees. We price protect. We just make it easy for you to buy. Not that the other guys are bad guys. There's a lot of great dealers in the state of Ohio, but none of them have the Buckeye service guarantee. None of them have free delivery in Ohio. None of them have a free loaner RV when your loaner or when your RV is out of service. There's even more to it. Give us a call, stop by, see us at one of our dealerships. Visit our website, rvwholesalers.com. Call us toll free at 877-877-4494. Talk to one of our many RV consultants. They'd love to help you and answer even more questions about why RV Wholesalers is your only dealer in the state of Ohio.